The reason people are getting out of silver, we just experienced a 13-year high for this metal, but people are getting out, they're running for the hills. And this is what's happening. I just visited my local coin shop, and my dealer was explaining this to me. What's happened to silver stackers is, yes, they're cashing out. This exciting moment for silver, where you would think people would have that fear of missing out, you'd think they'd be jumping in and buying. Well, that's not happening. They're cashing out left and right. And this is really what's happened to silver. You and I as stackers, we focus mainly on generic silver, typically as a silver stacker. This is generic silver I'm holding in front of your screen. But many also, and I include myself in this, we go for the shiny silver, the shiny object. This is a proof eagle, and these are considered semi-numismatic. They come with very high premiums. Here's a proof eagle. This typically, at the time of this recording, you would spend at least $40, probably $50 over spot for this. And really, end of the day, this is an ounce of silver. So when you go to sell it, and this is what's happening to a lot of people, this is what's turning them off from silver. When they go to sell it, you get a little bit over spot. That premium, the premium's gone. Look, here's even worse. These are reverse proof eagles, and I love these. Right, I'm a sucker again for the shiny silver. These go for probably each of these at least $60 over spot, $70 over spot. If I went to sell these today, that premium is gone. All that money that we pay on these premiums for the semi-numismatic silver, it's just gone. Even recently, here, this is recent. This 2023 peace dollar, it's a restrike. I was excited about these, so I bought it. But again, it's semi-numismatic. It comes with probably, I spent, what, $70 at least? Here, there it is. A $70 premium I spent on this, gone. If I tried to sell this today, I get a little bit over spot. That's how these semi-numismatic silver coins work. And really, what it tells me is that's why I stick with generic silver. That's it. I stick with generic silver rounds, and that's why I diversify my investments. I must level with you on the most important and monumental bull market in the world right now, in my opinion. The numbers speak for themselves. Silver is near $35 an ounce at a 13-year high. Wall Street's Bank of America is forecasting $4,000 an ounce for gold. GDX is up 43% in 2025. GDXJ up 45% in 2025. For the first time in history, gold's price has actually hit $3,400 an ounce. This is a monumental milestone. Both Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan forecast $4,000 an ounce by mid-2026. JP Morgan analysts even see gold hitting, listen to this, $6,000 an ounce under certain scenarios. That's what they see. $6,000 an ounce by 2029. The breakout in gold, silver, and the GDXJ index, that's what I've been waiting to happen since 2010, and I won't let it pass me by, no way. This moment is rare, it is precious, and it's one I plan to be very active in. This is the breakout. You could clearly see this is the breakout. 5 years after bottoming in March 2020, in that market panic, silver has surged by more than 160%, and this is the primary reason that I personally cannot think of a better time to highlight today's sponsor, Argenta Silver. Their ticker's on your screen. It's OTCQB, AGAGF. Check out this valuation. The previous owners of the El Covar spent an estimated $60 million Canadian on the project, discovering the third largest pure silver deposit in Argentina and building a 100-people camp. Argenta purchased this project for only $3.5 million US in September. Today, with its current market at $45 million US and approximately $8 million cash, the deposit, which contains silver resources, listen to this, it contains silver resources of 45.3 million ounces of silver indicated and 4.1 million ounces of silver inferred. It's valued for only 70 cents an ounce. Less than 1% of the project area is explored. I cannot overstate the potential. You heard that correctly. Less than 1% of the project area is explored. This is already the third largest undeveloped pure silver deposit in Argentina, and with the mining sector surging in 2025, silver up 13%, gold up 26%, the GDXJ up 45%, while, meanwhile, NASDAQ is basically flat. Argenta Silver is commencing on a new drilling program. Check this out. Argentina real estate entrepreneur Eduardo Elstein has acquired 25 million shares in March. And billionaire mining magnate Frank Guistra is also a major shareholder of Argenta Silver. You can see his open market purchases on your screen. That's for 2025 I put up there. Argenta Silver is located in Argentina's top mining jurisdiction, Salta province. It was the best voted jurisdiction of Latin America by the Fraser Institute for 2023. I always like to follow the success of others, and having Eduardo Elstein owning 12% of this company himself and Frank Guistra owning 13.5%, money goes where it's treated best, and these guys are doing it right. Check out Argenta Silver. Perform your own due diligence. The link is in the description below. Their ticker's on your screen. It's OTCQB, AGAGF. Click that link below and check them out. I'll see you on the next one.